Ever wonder how 3D printing can make life easier, more fun, and even more stylish? Today we're diving into the practical uses of 3D printing that are transforming our everyday lives. 3D printing offers a world of possibilities for household items. From functional pieces such as replacement knobs for your stove or custom hooks for your walls, to decorative items like unique vases or intricate lampshades, 3D printing can bring a touch of personal flair to your home. The best part? You can create these items right from the comfort of your own living room. Moving on to personal gadgets and accessories, 3D printing is a game changer. Imagine designing and printing your own smartphone case, earbud holders, or even a stand for your smartwatch. It's all possible with 3D printing, allowing you to bring your personal style to your everyday tech. In the realm of education, 3D printing is revolutionizing learning. It can create tactile learning aids, such as 3D models of complex molecules for chemistry students, or topographic maps for geography enthusiasts. The ability to physically handle these educational tools can greatly enhance understanding and retention. Tools and hardware are another area where 3D printing shines. Imagine being able to print a custom wrench to fit that hard-to-reach bolt, or a specific bracket you need for your DIY project. The convenience and customization provided by 3D printing can make your toolkit more versatile than ever before. For gaming and hobby enthusiasts, 3D printing offers a whole new level of immersion and customization. Print your own miniatures for tabletop games, create customized components for your favorite board games, or even design and print your own unique game. With 3D printing, the only limit is your imagination. Last, but certainly not least, fashion and wearables. 3D printing is stepping onto the runway with printed jewelry, shoes, and even clothing. With this technology, you can express your style in ways you never thought possible. To summarize, 3D printing is transforming our everyday lives in numerous ways. It offers endless possibilities for household items, personal gadgets and accessories, educational tools and hardware, gaming and hobbies, and fashion and wearables. With 3D printing, you can customize your world in ways you never thought possible. So, here's a question to ponder. What will you create with 3D printing? Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.